Beloved South Africans, young people, black people, Indian people, white people, colored people, there are people who were born in 1994, graduates, who have never worked in their life. There is a granny, an old woman with her grandchildren staying in a shack, who is waiting for RDP house, while her RDP house is occupied by a criminal who's politically connected. There are South African children who are not admitted at school, yet the children of foreigners have access to our schools. There are sick people in hospital who can't find help, who sleep on the floors, yet foreigners are always number one. There are men, fathers, pillars of families who are unemployed, who don't know how to provide for their families. There are middle-class people, the working class, who are drowning in debt because of the condition of this economy. Majority of our people are unemployed, unskilled, hopeless. Today, I want us to start a movement. All the progressive movements, Dudula, you name them, an anti-regime campaign to call for a referendum so that our government may be under administration and we the people may take over under the Representation of the People Act. We are tired of this government. We don't want only Cyril Ramaphosa to go. We want the whole political system to go, so that we can form a government that represents us, that prioritize us, where we make laws that protect us and our children. Let us stand and unite and call for a change of regime of this useless, unpatriotic government. Let us unite, South Africans. Our country is going down. There is no change that is going to happen. There is no Donald Trump that is going to come and arrest Cyril Ramaphosa. There is no new job employment you are going to get as long as the status stays like this. The only thing that is going to happen, the economy is going to be worse. We are going to drown in poverty. We are going to be like Zimbabwe. We are going to be replaced and displaced by foreigners. So I ask all the progressive movements, all the civil society movements, let us stand and unite under the banner of the anti-regime campaign. We demand change in South Africa. We demand change. We want to govern ourselves. United, we shall conquer. Thank you.